Good morning, students. Let's start our today's class with the chapter number 7, Birth. It is a very interesting story. First of all, we will just know about the author of the chapter, A.G. Cronin. So, Archibald Joseph Cronin was born in 19th July 1869 and he was died on 6th January 1981. He was an Scottish physician and novelist also. Basically, he was physician, so that is why he knows what is the problems faced by the doctors. And this story all are also about the one of the doctor. So Joseph Cronin was an no well-known novelist also, and his best novel was the Cathedral Tales of a Scottish doctor in a Welsh mining village, who then stood up in the medical ladder in the London. Cronin knew both venues as a medical inspector of mines and the doctor of the Hadley Street. So this is the thing. He was awarded by the National Book Award of the Fiction, and his main books are The Green Ears, The Keys of the Kingdom, and in this story, he wants to tell about how it is one of the graduated doctor. His name was Andrew Manson, who just graduated out of the medical school. It is an account of how the newly graduate medical practitioner helped bringing the joy and the Susan child into his world despite going through the tough time which his girlfriend Christine was just want to be left him. So in this story, actually, this story starts from the midnight, where one of the person who was just whose wife was going to be give the birth of a child after the 20 years of his marriage. So at the nearly midnight, when the Andrew reached the Brangor Grover, he found Joy Morgan waiting for him, walking up and down with short steps between the closed surgery and enhanced to the house. At the sight of him, Burley Drill's face expresses a relief. So in this story, actually, Andrew um, was reached his home and he saw one of the men who called him for the help because his wife wants to give the birth to a child, and that is a very crucial time for him and for the Dr. Andrew Manson also. This is a very crucial time because this is his first case that he was handled for alone, and because of this case, um, his next coming future in the Ballinelly was also be decided. So Joy Morgan was just called, wait for the doctor, and he went into the house of his bag. When together they set out of the 12 number. Number 12 is the house number of Joy Morgan, Ballintracy. Here, the night was so cool and deep and quiet and mysterious. So usually Andrew not felt dull and listless. He had no premonitions that his night call would prove unusual. Still, less that would influence his whole future in Ballinelly. The two men walked in the silence until they reached the door of the house number 12. Then Andrew Joey Morgan was stand outside the house because he doesn't want to face all that thing. He was so nervous because he wanted to be father first time, so that is why. And the second person, Dr. Andrew Manson, went away from inside the house. So inside, a narrow stairs led up to the small bedroom, clean but poorly furnished, and lit only a oil lamp. Here, Mrs. Morgan's mother, a tall, grey-haired woman, is nearly 70, and the short elderly midwife waited beside the patient, watching the Andrew's expression as he moved about the room.